Nadia Sabrati from Prestigious Brand Media. What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for joining me. I know I haven't been doing much YouTube videos for the past year, and that's because I've been like very, very busy, creating tons and tons of products since the pandemic started. So now that I've launched my e-commerce stores and bookstores and courses, now I'm ready to start back teaching. So I will be doing 3 videos a week on YouTube, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I look forward to start back teaching. So if you're viewing this video right now, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notification. So today I have a great topic that I want to cover with you all because I know a lot of people actually lost your jobs, and I know millions of people are searching online how to start a business. And there's so many things going on in the online space that it can be very confusing, right? And it can be very overwhelming. So today I'm going to be talking about sharing some tips with you on how to start an online business. And I also have a Facebook group, so you can click on the link below and you can join my Facebook group. It's a free group, and this is where I will be doing my teachings. And you can also download a copy of my social media marketing book. Okay, and I also included 8 daily tasks. And this is what you need to be doing every single day to build a business online. Okay, so click on it. It's a free copy. All right, and let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about. I'm going to give you 4 tips on how to start an online business. Even if you are a newbie marketer and you don't have an audience, you can still get results, right? So uh, I'm going to go through these 4 tips with you right now. So, number one, personal branding. Yes, online personal branding is huge when it comes to online marketing, right? Because here's the thing, if you're not building your personal brand, no one is going to know who you are. So, it's going to be difficult for you to build that know, like, and trust factor. So, personal branding is key. And how do you build your personal brand? Okay, so if you're brand new, right, that means you really don't have any knowledge of social media marketing or online personal branding. So start with your story. Yeah, start with your story. Let your audience know who you are. Because here's the thing. When people know who you are and you build in relationships with them, this is going to build a know, like, and trust factor, and they're going to feel comfortable, right, doing business with you. Okay, so that was tip number one. So tip number two, content creation. Yes, you have to create content. Choose a platform. There's so many platforms, right? You can choose YouTube, you can choose Facebook, you can choose TikTok. Choose a platform and you're going to leverage that to build your business online, right? So let's say you're using YouTube. Well, I am mostly on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, and Pinterest, but I haven't really been much on YouTube for the past year, but I'm getting back on YouTube now. I kind of like miss marketing on YouTube. So I'm getting back on YouTube. So, guys, you need to create content. Video marketing. I highly recommend video marketing because here's the thing, video marketing is now and it's our future, especially with this pandemic and you know what I mean, so many people losing their jobs, right? You can reach millions and millions and millions of people by just doing videos. Like on TikTok, a lot of my videos went viral with millions and millions of views, right? And hundreds of thousands of views. And I also generated tons and tons of leads. Okay, so we just covered number one and two, personal branding, content creation, right, guys? So this is, when you're creating content, this is how people are gonna like be attracted to you, right, through the content you're creating. So it's very important. Get over your fears and start creating some content. And let's talk about lead generation. So when it comes to online marketing, guys, if you're not generating leads on a daily basis, your business is gonna struggle. Yeah, you have to be generating leads every single day, and you need a lead magnet to do that. Okay, you need to have a lead magnet, and you can also set that up on automation. And I can help you with all of that because I create lead magnets for major companies and online entrepreneurs, network marketers, affiliate marketers. Yes, I'm a writer, so I write copies for them. I create, their funnels. You know what I mean? Because I know it's a lot of techie stuff and a lot of people are really scared of the techie stuff. But don't you worry, I'm right here. I can help you with all of that. I can even teach you how to build high converting funnels. Yeah, I've been marketing online for the past 5.5 years full time. Okay, So number 4. So we just covered 3: personal branding, content creation, and how to generate leads. Okay. And number 4, let's talk about a product. So you're going to need to have a product to promote. So find something that you like using. It could be anything. It could be a weight loss product. It could be digital product. It could be courses, right? It could be, I don't know, it could be anything you want, but make sure you like the product, because guess what? You are the product, because you have to use the product, you have to promote the product, you have to market the product, right, guys? Whether it's affiliate program, it's the same concept, right? You have to use the product, you know, and you have to promote the product, right? So these are the 4 things you need to learn in order to start an online business. And here's the thing: don't wait until you're perfect to do this, because you're never going to be perfect. I'm going to tell you a little story. When I started marketing 5.5 years ago, I was terrified of doing videos. And back then, Facebook Live has only been around for 6 months. And you know what I did? I created a 30-day video challenge with 30 topics. And by the way, at that time, I didn't know anything about online marketing, but I had to learn really fast, because I was in a situation where many of you are in right now, not having a job, right? And I came from a medical background, so it was kind of like, it was scary for me. I knew nothing about online marketing. So I challenged myself, and I did 30 days. I went live doing videos, and guess what? Boom. The fears just went away, and I was no longer scared of doing videos, right? So I want to teach you more online marketing. So click on the link and join my Facebook group, and watch the video that's in my Facebook group. Okay. So listen, God loves you. I mean, I love you. God love you too. And God bless you. And I will talk to you later. Okay. Bye, everyone. Oh, and don't forget to download my book, Social Media Marketing. All right. And make sure you start implementing those 8 daily tasks to help you get started. Okay. Have a blessed day. Bye, everyone.